The solar system, 8 planets circling an unrelenting sun, each one a world of extremes. Today, we'll follow the imagined final moments of a human being, a lone explorer, dying on each planet of our solar system. Not out of morbid curiosity, but to feel, even briefly, how fragile life is beyond our blue home. Mercury, the smallest planet, closest to the sun. No air, no shade, just silence and fire. If a person stepped onto Mercury without a suit, death would be almost instant. There's no atmosphere to breathe. The moment your helmet cracks, your lungs would empty themselves with a desperate gasp, trying to draw in nothing. Your blood, unprotected by pressure, would begin to boil. The sunlight here is 7 times stronger than on Earth. Within seconds, the skin on the sun-facing side chars, while the other half freezes in darkness. You wouldn't have time to scream. Venus, Earth's twisted sister. Same size, same gravity, but wrapped in an atmosphere of nightmares. Step out here, and the heat alone, 475 degrees Celsius, would kill you before you even hit the ground. The air is carbon dioxide thickened by sulfuric acid. Each breath feels like inhaling boiling metal. The pressure, 90 times that of Earth, crushes your ribcage as if you're sinking into an ocean made of air. Views doesn't kill quickly. It squeezes the life out of you. And now, home, the only planet where dying can be peaceful. A man lies in a field, breathing slowly. The sky turns orange. His chest rises, inhale. Falls, exhale. As oxygen fades from his blood, his vision tunnels. Sounds blur, the rustle of leaves, the breath of wind. A final warmth spreads through his body, not pain, not fear, just release. Earth is the only planet where death can feel like letting go. Mars, the red planet. A silent desert of dust and ghosts. If your helmet shattered here, you'd have maybe 15 seconds of awareness. The air is 95% carbon dioxide. It would feel like trying to breathe through water. Your blood's oxygen would vanish almost instantly. Then, the cold sets in, minus 60 degrees Celsius. Moisture in your eyes and mouth begins to crystallize. Death comes quietly. Not burning, not crushing, just a gentle fade into sleep as the thin Martian air steals your breath away. You can't stand on Jupiter. It's all gas and storm, a bottomless ocean of hydrogen and helium. If you fell into it, the journey itself would be your death. At first, you'd float through soft, colorful clouds. The deeper you fall, the denser it gets. The pressure rises beyond comprehension. Your body would compress like clay, lungs crushed, bones bent, heart forced still till .l. And just before you're torn apart, the heat returns. It's over 20,000 degrees Celsius near the core. Beautiful, serene, adorned with rings. But death here is quiet and slow, a dream that turns to nightmare. Like Jupiter, Saturn has no solid surface. You drift through golden clouds, the gas growing thicker as you descend. The atmosphere is mostly hydrogen, so you'd suffocate first, lungs filling with nothing. Your body would sink, pressure increasing gradually until you implode. It would be the most beautiful death in the solar system, and the loneliest. Uranus spins on its side, rolling through space like a fallen marble. Beneath that serenity lies cold that kills everything. The atmosphere is methane and hydrogen, with winds up to 900 kilometers per hour. The cold would freeze your lungs before you could even exhale. Moisture in your skin would crystallize instantly, frost crawling across your body like a living thing. And then the pressure crushes you, slowly, silently. It's not pain you'd feel, just numbness, the sensation of drifting into nothing. Neptune, the farthest planet. A blue storm at the edge of light. Here, the winds scream faster than sound. The gale would tear the suit from your body in seconds. Temperatures plunge to minus 220 degrees Celsius. The pain would be sharp, a flash of burning cold, and then nothing. No one would hear your last breath. Neptune would take it into its eternal storm. Across every world, death wears a different mask. Crushing, burning, freezing, falling. But in every case, it's the same truth. Life, That fragile balance of pressure, warmth, and air exists only in a narrow whisper of conditions. Only here on Earth can we breathe, feel, and dream. So tonight, when you look up at the stars, remember, out there, death rules everything. But here on this tiny blue world we live. So, keep breathing and relax. If this journey through the silence of other worlds moved you, subscribe and join me for the next story.